Checking your account balance on Fidelity Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the Fidelity Bank website. Open your web browser and go to the official Fidelity Bank website. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Log into your account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, look for the Account Summary or Accounts tab in the menu. Click on it to view a list of your accounts and their respective balances. Step 4. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to check the balance. This could be your savings, checking, or any other account you hold with the bank. Step 5. Review your balance. After selecting the account, your current balance will be displayed along with any recent transactions. Take note of the balance for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance with Fidelity Bank. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for assistance.